This how-to video will be on how to change the isolation code or channel that the coordinator's on from the actual tablet itself. So this is, I've just got this plugged in so that I can manipulate it, but this is basically what your screen would look like on the module. And so what we're trying to do here is in main software, if we go to the core software and we go under system settings right here and go to service and then coordinators, and then here's your list of coordinators. So we select it, and this will tell you what isolation is. So the general rule, everything's on one. If you have a situation where you had to add an additional coordinator, you would put that under a different channel or different code number. The other reason you may want to change it is if you had interference on that 900 megahertz from something else that's in your facility, then we can change this channel to help facilitate getting rid of that interference. But essentially, you would set it here, and then you would go to your module, and you can change it to the touchscreen. And this works for either a PSM or a BSC. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. And essentially, if you have this here, you're going to go to that your little hamburger menu up here, and you type in the pin, which is 7047. If you haven't changed it, you hit OK. That's going to bring up this menu here, which is where we're going to go to settings. And you're going to see your Bluetooth. This is the Wi-Fi piece of it. And then here's where you'll see that isolation code. And that'll always kind of show this unknown. So all you have to do is just hit the get, and then I'll bring it up. So this one is already on number 3. But let's just say, for the sake of argument, I want to change this to number 1. So make it ISO code 1. Basically, just set. And now then this will go talk to a coordinator that we have set up here that's on isolation code number 1. And so basically, once it does that, we hit this get, it'll pull up the mesh address of that unit. So there you go. And essentially, it won't be on number 3 anymore. Now it'll be on isolation code number 1. And then once you're done with this, you can just hit your back button here at the bottom, and then this will return you to your interface where you can start and stop production and set your alarm. That will conclude this how-to on how to set the isolation code on the touchscreen. I look forward to talking to you again.